नमस्कार, मैं प्रोफेसर पवन फंदे FCAD एकेडमी में आप सभी का प्रेमपूर्वक स्वागत करता हूँ। To render a video, first we need to set up a video path. To do this, we open the video editor by clicking this button or pressing V on the keyboard. Don't forget you can always open the help panel with the H key on your keyboard or clicking this button. When the video editor interface is opened, the second tab will provide a handy overview. Before going into detail about the interface, let's first lock out Rook video path. To do this, we will place keyframes. Keyframes are essentially waymarks in time and spaces that the camera will fly through when exporting the final video. To place a keyframe, we press the key or clicking the icon in the lower right corner here. This is what the keyframe looks like the Enscape. By placing another keyframe, we see that they are being contacted by the video path. This way we can fly through our project and gather nice perspective. Pressing K where we can't capture view in a video. Check your video path once in a while. Make sure you are not hiding any options. If that's the case, simply place an additional keyframe by clicking anywhere on the video path. Move the camera so the obstacles is out of the way and click update. Let's click the exit keyframe button or press escape on the keyboard to exit the keyframe and see the full video path again. You can preview the video created at any point by clicking the play button or pressing P on your keyboard. At this point, if you are satisfied with the outcome, you can already render the video file. Just press the export button here at the bottom right. Enscape will ask you what export setting and you like to apply to this video. I recommend it to go with the default settings. Click export and choose a location for your file. Enscape will start rendering the video right away. Let's have a closer look at the interface though, so you can design your videos even better. If you ever want to delete your current part to begin with from, save or load it, you can do so in the video path menu up here. Below that, you can choose to enable a grid line overlay. Use the total duration input to change the overall length of the video. Click on the time to open an input field. Here you can either input the time numerically in hours, minutes and seconds, or use the arrow button to select the time. These options will affect the whole video quality. If you have already set up the timestamps, they will be changed proportionally. Next, you can choose to Enscape in and out, meaning either start and ending the video standing still, or moving with the equal speed throughout. Here you can also enable the shaky camera effect, adding a human-like hobby to the camera movement. This type. The area below is only available when a keyframe is selected. Such a way, here you can delete this particular keyframe or update any changes, and you can set those 4 values for each keyframe: timestamp, time of day, focal point, field of view. The timestamp is the time in second it takes to reach the currently selected keyframe. So obviously for the first keyframe it will always 0. In all other keyframes, this allows you to control the speed of the video. Let's say we want to fly fast at first, while moving around the exterior, and then slow down to really highlight the interior. Click on the keyframe where you want to start slowing down to another keyframe. Here, let's enter a low value for the time, for example 10 seconds. After all, you want to move fast up to this point. Don't forget to click update so our changes are saved. Let's switch to one of the following keyframes to enter the seconds timestamp. Here, let's enter a value that's a lot higher, for example 30 seconds. Now we will reach the previous keyframe at the second 10 and this keyframe at the second 30. So we will slow down a lot, allowing the user to take in our beautiful interior design. This way you can control all the values throughout your video. Time of the day can be key to simulate a time lapse. What a beautiful scene here. Awesome. Focal point will only have an effect when a depth of field is equal. In the visual settings main tab, and autofocus is disabled. Then you can control the focal distance, allowing for cinematic effect. This type. Always some photograph. Wonderful. Field of view can be used to add a zoom effect to your video. Please try. This is not a magic, this is an animation. Notice that all the keyword values can be viewed anytime on the timeline at the bottom. Thank you.